now I've got quite a lot of bees checking out the top bar. In the tree at about 5 or so foot high, which is the optimum height, we have another bait hive. You'll see lots of bees going into the hive. And they're all around me. I may have to back off a bit. But they love this medlar. And last year we had a prime swarm. There you go. Coming in and out of that entrance. This is just a little nuke that I made. But this isn't a swarm. The bees know that tomorrow is the day for swarming. It's going to be really hot. This is a checking out by the advance party. Oh gosh, I hope it's 2 colonies coming tomorrow to the garden. Watch this space. Oh, good morning world. Look what we have in this tree. A swarm of bees all entering our bait hive. One frame in there and the rest is space. And this to me looks very like a prime swarm. Oh, happy day. It's my wedding anniversary today and Timmy's. So thank you bees for your beautiful gift. We are utterly blessed to be given bees. I can't really go much closer because I'm totally in just a pair of a skirt and a top, and they are a little bit protective, but you hope you get the idea. And then in the top bar hive, I'm hoping upon hope that this is a different set of bees, thinking of taking up house in here. And all well in the rest of the apiary. Happy day. It's going to be 22 degrees today, possibly even hotter here. And this is where you can see them. They're all running in. Beautiful bees, my beloveds. These are wild bees from the woods, they're not my bees. They're brown, quite small, and extremely beautiful, and I'm so thrilled. I cannot tell you the joy of bees coming voluntarily to live with us. tree and we've put it onto blocks because our initial idea of putting it onto a beehive stand didn't work because the stand's a bit bigger than the nuke box. And the bees are within 3 feet of where they landed, as you can see. And now we've got to put in some frames because we've deliberately baited the hive with lemon balm at the entrance, but we've left a void. There's only one frame, which is a drawn out frame with comb for the smell of bees. So now we take the lid off. Okay, so we've moved the hive out of the tree, and now the bees, some of the bees are going looking for the hive in the tree, so the other bees have got their bottoms in the air and they're signalling where the hive is with the Asimov glands. And what I've got to do now is very gently open the hive and slip the frames in without hurting the bees. Oh my God, it's
lid off.
Fabulous, absolutely fabulous. So we need to be as fast as we can because I just don't want to disturb bees. I just want to put this in. It's a bit slopey. Get them in as fast as possible. Minimum disruption. Maximum happy bees. So I'm putting the last frame in really delicately. It's a bit of a ropey old spot here. And the frame's not brilliant, but they're very, very lovely, gentle bees. Look at them, beautiful. So what I've done is I've left the smoker in the tree where the swarm, on the branch where the swarm landed, to go into the bait hive. We've moved the bait hive down and the smoke will encourage them to find the other bees who are sending out signals through their Asimov glands to the other bees to say where the queen is. And then the plan is that every day we'll move this hive 3 foot into the apiary, and that will give the bees a chance to have drawn out the comb, got rid of the honey from their old colony into making it into wax, and that means that it will be a safeguard from a hygiene point of view of us having a new swarm of bees. We don't know where from, it's not our bees, but from the locality, and not knowing their provenance. So when they make lots of wax, it uses up that honey, and that honey might be carrying pathogens or diseases. So it's a good plan. So we won't feed these bees for at least 3 days. We'll move them slowly. We don't want them to abscond. And hopefully we'll have a prime swarm in our apiary in a few weeks' time that's drawn out the comb, and then we'll put them into a bigger hive. So really happy day. The bait hive worked and we are thrilled. So there we are. We didn't even have to catch this swarm, it just came to us in a bait hive. So if you've enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to our channel, Permaculture Magazine YouTube channel, and click the little bell, the notification button, and you'll get more bee videos and more videos about all aspects of permaculture. Thank you very, very much for watching on this very happy day. Bye.